Hello and welcome to Teachings in Education. Here is the question posed. What is the purpose of education? Ask the students, many of them would say it's a waste of time. The fact of the matter is, students just don't understand why having an education is so important. The most common answer your students would say is that getting a good job or career is the main purpose of an education. Yes, getting a job is one reason an education is necessary, but there are so many more. As teachers, we must provide our students with other reasons and examples as to why an education is so valuable to today's youth. One of the many purposes of an education is to develop critical thinking skills in students and create solutions. Students learn rules and regulations at school. Rules actually provide emotional stability and physical safety to children. Rules guide students toward the proper actions. You must acquire knowledge, and you do that through an education. Children in school should begin to understand more and more about the world around them. Math is an essential component of many of life's activities, such as counting objects, making money, cooking recipes, and many more. Education leads to the development of communication skills. Leadership and communication go hand in hand. An obvious yet vital purpose of education is to prepare students for college. And if you plan on being a doctor, you must have the prerequisite skills needed to pass the corresponding coursework. Studies show that as children successively pass, succeed, and graduate from school, they become more confident. Nowadays, schools take the appropriate steps to help build character in their students. Character traits are necessary for children to develop into hardworking, positive citizens. Perhaps the greatest function of an education is to learn how to read. Imagine how difficult it is. Attending schools will increase socialization skills, which corresponds with an increase in mental health and wellness. It also leads to fun. So I hope some of these reasons provided answers the question, what is the purpose of an education? Try to remind students how life-changing a good education can actually be, because these kids, they just don't know. And remember, the biggest problem that students have is not their intelligence, but the fact that they do not value their education. Right now, I want to say thank you for your time. Please like and share this video. Also, check the description link for resources below. Shout out to Mike.